If you've ever seen those animated maps where a line moves from one place to another, showing a travel route, a delivery path, or even a story, you probably thought that was made with complicated editing software. But here's the truth. You can create that exact same effect using Canva, and it's way easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a professional-looking map animation inside Canva, plus a few hidden tricks that will instantly make your animation look 10 times better. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. For best results, choose a video format. You can select Video 1920 by 1080 or a presentation format. This is important because animations work much smoother in video mode compared to static designs. Now let's add the map. Go to the Elements tab and type Map in the search bar. You'll find a lot of different styles, from detailed world maps to simple minimalist ones. Here's a quick tip: if you want a clean, modern look, go for a simple map. If you want something more detailed or educational, pick a more realistic one. Drag your map onto the canvas and resize it so it fits nicely. Try to keep some empty space, don't fill the entire screen. Now we're going to mark the locations. Go back to Elements and search for Location Pin or Map Marker. Pick a style you like and place it on your starting point. Then duplicate it and move the second one to your destination. You can change the colors to make them stand out more. For example, start point equals one color, end point equals another color. This helps the viewer instantly understand the direction. Now comes the most important part: creating the route. Go to Elements again and search for Line or Curved Line. Choose a style that matches your design. Now connect the 2 points. Take your time here, this part makes a big difference. Try to curve the line slightly instead of making it perfectly straight. It looks more natural and more visually interesting. Now let's animate the route. Select the line. Click on Animate. Here's the key: choose animations like Create, Wipe, or anything that looks like the line is being drawn. This is what creates the illusion of movement. When you preview it, it should look like the route is appearing in real time. Now let's animate the markers. Click on the starting point. Go to Animate and choose something simple like Fade or Pop. Do the same with the destination marker. But here's an important trick: don't make everything appear at the same time. Go down to the timeline. Adjust the timing so the animation flows like this: first starting point appears second, the route line draws third, destination appears. This sequence makes your animation feel smooth and logical. Now let's take it to the next level. We're going to simulate movement. Add an icon like a plane, a car, or even a small circle. Place it at the beginning of the route. Now duplicate the page. On the second page, move the icon slightly forward along the line. Duplicate again, and move it further. Repeat this process several times. When you play all the pages together, it will look like the icon is traveling across the map. This is a simple trick, but it looks incredibly professional. Here's another pro tip: use page transitions. Click between pages and add a transition like Match and Move. This makes the movement smoother and more cinematic. You can also add text. For example, city names, distances, or short descriptions. Animate the text with subtle effects like fade or rise. This adds more context and makes your animation more engaging. Another thing that makes a huge difference: sound. Even a simple background track can make your animation feel more alive. If it's a travel video, use something calm and atmospheric. If it's more dynamic, use something upbeat. Now, a quick warning: don't overcomplicate it. Too many animations, colors, or elements can make your design look messy. The best animations are usually simple and clean. And that's it. That's how you create a map animation in Canva step by step, using simple tools that anyone can use. Once you master this, you can use it for travel videos, business presentations, storytelling, or even social media content. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials, hidden tricks, and content creation tips. And let me know in the comments, what kind of animation do you want to learn next? See you in the next video.